Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to enable the split view feature in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this feature will allow you to do a split screen view in a single window. That way you can compare two websites together, for example, and scroll between them separately. So Google Chrome just introduced this feature not too long ago, so we did a video on that. And Microsoft Edge has had this feature for a while, so now Firefox is rolling it out. So if you don't already have it, so if you right click here and you don't have the option, we're going to show you how to enable it. So all you need to do is just open a tab here, then the address bar, just type in about:config, and click on this button to accept the risk and continue. And then up here in the search box, just type in browser.tabs.splitView.enabled, and double click this to set it to true. All right, so now if we were to come here, right click, we have an add split view feature. And if you click on that, it's going to take you to your home page, and then you can pick one of your buttons here or do a search or whatever. So one thing I don't like about this compared to Google Chrome is when you do this in Chrome and you split the view here, it'll show you your other open tabs, and then you could actually click on one of those and load it in the other window. Whereas with Firefox, let's say I wanted to compare this one here, I'd have to copy this, paste it in here, and now I have my two tabs open side by side here, and I can scroll through them independently, go back and forth, up and down, and so on. So maybe they'll fix that in the future once they get some complaints. You never know. Then if you're done, you just come up here, right click, separate them out, and then it's going to keep that other tab open so that way you don't lose the page when you separate the tabs. And then if you change your mind, just come back here, double click this, set it to false, and now that option's gone. All right, so as you can see, it has some potential. They just need to maybe tweak a couple things, because another nice feature in Chrome, when you had your tabs split, you could right click on any link within a web page or from your search results and split the tab there as well, but you can't do that in Firefox, at least not for now. All right, so I'll put the appropriate text that you need to type in the search box in the description so you can just copy and paste it, and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.